Okay, so what I did was I took the chicken out. I ate one. That's what's left. I think I'm going to make some Spanish rice out of that. But this chicken mole, I put the picadillo sauce in there that I had left over in the freezer. And then I had some mole sauce. Oh my goodness. It's so good. I should marry myself. Just kidding. Hey, if I had a man who got me a kitchen, who gave me a nice kitchen, I wouldn't mind. I'm just kidding. Anyways, back to this. Oh, this is so delicious. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna heat up a flour tortilla and have it. And my spinach flour tortilla. Yeah, this is delicious. Yum. Oh yeah. This is delicious. Alright, have a good one.